In this video, I'll show you how to create Phantom Wallet in laptop or PC. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your Chrome browser, right? Come on here. Type in Chrome Web Store, right? So this is it, this one, Chrome Web Store. Type it in. Once it has opened up, you're going to click on this Chrome Web Store, right? So yeah, so come on here, these search extensions. Type in Phantom Wallet. Phantom Wallet. Click on the enter, right? It's going to load up. So this is Phantom Wallet. Click on it. Once I clicked on it, you would be asked, I think, all these questions, right? So I don't think any of this is necessary, right? I want to add this up. So you're going to click on this add to Chrome, right? So I'll add extension. So we want to create Phantom Wallet here in our laptop, right? So you can see from here, it's currently downloading. One download in progress. I think it's gonna load up right now, right? So yeah, I'll wait for it to load up. It's currently loading. So tell me what you can see right here. Phantom has been added to Chrome, right? So I'm gonna click on this. Now for us to create a Phantom Wallet, what we're gonna do basically, we have just added the extension, right? And we want to create a Phantom Wallet right now. Click on this. Click on this Phantom, right? Once you click on it, it's gonna open up, right? I think a new page is gonna open up. So you are gonna either create a new wallet or you can import an existing wallet, right? So because this is basically a tutorial video, what you're gonna do, you're gonna click on this create new wallet, right? You can continue with this, right? I don't think I'm gonna create this because I might just show you all the seed phrase, and I don't think that is really advisable. So that is what you're gonna do, right? Once you have followed the steps I followed, just click on this create a new wallet, and once you have created a new wallet, you're gonna write down your seed phrase, right? And yeah, everything is good for you. It will be installed right here in your PC and your laptop, and you can comfortably do with it whatever you want to do with it, right? So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you on the very next one.